Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. Having black, rough lips can be quite bothersome, affecting not just your appearance, but also your confidence. Blackened lips are often caused by factors like smoking, excessive caffeine intake, sun exposure, or dehydration. These conditions can lead to dryness, pigmentation, and a rough texture, making your lips look less appealing and dull. To combat these issues and restore your lips to a healthier state, consider using a natural lip scrub. You can create an effective scrub at home using simple ingredients. Mix together 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of honey, and 1/2 tablespoon of coconut oil. Sugar acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to slough off dead skin cells and stimulate circulation, while honey's natural enzymes work to nourish and soften the lips. Coconut oil adds moisture and helps repair chapped lips. Here's how to use the lip scrub. Start by gently massaging the mixture onto your lips using circular motions for about 2 to 3 minutes. This process helps to remove the rough outer layer of dead skin cells, revealing smoother and softer lips underneath. Rinse off the scrub with lukewarm water and pat your lips dry with a soft towel. After exfoliating, it's essential to follow up with a hydrating lip balm or a natural lip oil to lock in moisture and protect your lips from further dryness. For added benefits, you can apply a drop of almond oil or vitamin E oil to keep your lips supple and prevent them from darkening. Incorporate this lip scrub into your weekly skincare routine to maintain soft and pink lips naturally. Consistency is key to achieving lasting results. Remember, healthy lips not only look attractive, but also contribute to your overall self-confidence. Subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips, DIY skincare recipes, and natural remedies to enhance your natural glow. By following these steps thoughtfully, you can achieve the best lips for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.